Well, he's been fantastic, the lad. He's scored important goals, and and even when he's taking his penalty kicks, he's very, very confident about them. And I can't even think of a goalkeeper's getting anywhere near his penalty kicks. So he's calm. His shots from outside the box are always a threat, and he's got the thing that United have really needed in the last few years, is his ability to make a pass in the final third. It opens up defences, and I think that's important.
Alex, you all right for 2 minutes? No? 2 minutes?
Hey guys, it's Alexander Isak. If you want to win my signed shirt, head over to Premier League app. See you soon.
So, you were kind of January. Oh, that? You're going to be nice. How are you? Why did you not come for that dinner?